Hello, young learners. Welcome to our exciting journey through the 4 seasons of the year. Are you ready to explore the wonders of nature? Let's get started. Our adventure begins with the season of new beginnings, spring. In spring, the weather starts to warm up and nature comes alive. The trees and flowers bloom and animals awaken from their winter slumber. Can you spot any signs of spring in your neighborhood? As spring fades away, we enter the season of sunshine and fun. Summer. During summer, the days are longer and the weather is hot. It's the perfect time for swimming, playing outdoors, and enjoying ice cream. What are your favorite summer activities? Next, we move on to the season of change, autumn. In autumn, the leaves on the trees change color and fall to the ground. The air becomes crisp, and we start to see pumpkins and scarecrows everywhere. It's also the time when many animals prepare for the colder months ahead. Can you think of any autumn traditions or celebrations? Finally, we arrive at the season of snow and coziness, winter. During winter, the temperature drops and snow covers the ground. It's the perfect time for building snowmen, having snowball fights, and drinking hot cocoa by the fireplace. What do you enjoy most about winter? And there you have it, the 4 seasons of the year. Each season brings its own unique beauty and adventures. Remember, every season is special in its own way. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time.